Hi lovers, please take a leap of faith because your cards came first and your oracle came second. But the whole time I was shuffling, I knew that there is something wrong going on in your love life. You feel very distanced from your lover, from the person that you love so much from the bottom of your heart, the person who is totally inside your, like, they have gotten under your skin. And English is not my first language, so sorry. And you feel left out, all alone, like they do not care about you. But then how would you take that leap of faith if it feels so one-sided? Here is the answer. You create your own reality. That does not mean that they do not have free will, but this is a tarot reading and I am reading upon two people's energies at the same time, and I have a feeling that both of you have several wounds that you are dealing with, and it is in terms of profession, finance, past relationships, and your families. Like there is so much of, what is the word for malba? You will google it. So much of dust that has been settled on your hearts that it is impossible, almost impossible for you to actually come together with another person. Relationship, seventh house, and relationship seventh house doesn't mean a love relationship, but every kind of relationship that we have with other human beings. And both of you are unable to actually create any sort of love relationship, even with having a friend who you can trust, or your friends and family, because you have been isolating for so long and you have been protecting yourself for so long. It is hard now. But when it comes to taking a leap of faith, that does not mean that you need to scream, but to invite the other one to, put forth in front of them what you would like to receive, and to listen to them what is important to them. So this is time to do communication. Like start really, 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 really small, really small. Like take small steps, because the main thing you need to remember, they are just as messed up as you are. So take tiny steps, but do not compromise. That is not what I'm saying. Do not compromise on your values or or your needs, but put them in front of them in a very gentle manner, and listen to them and help them tell you what they need. And that is a leap of faith where you will go to places.